Hi, I'm Stephanie, and today I'm going to show you the right way to wash your bike so you look as good out on the road as you feel. First, you want to choose cleaning supplies designed to get the various surfaces of the bike clean without damaging the finish or leaving any scratches. We're going to be doing a basic wash, not a bike show-worthy detailing job. So I have bike wash, wheel and tire cleaner, and engine cleaner. I also have a wash mitt and a soft drying towel. It's also important to make sure that any sponge, brush, or towel you use starts out clean. You don't want some embedded bit of dirt or grime to leave any scratches. All this is from the parts counter at my Harley dealer, so I know they're appropriate for use on all the surface finishes of my bike. So let's get to work. First, you want to make sure that the engine is cool to the touch, and then you want to rinse the whole bike with clean, fresh water. Then we're going to move on to the engine cleaner, which is actually a degreaser. So what you want to do is you want to spray it on and get a good saturation on there. And then you're going to immediately rinse it off. Because this stuff is so powerful, you don't want to leave it on too long. And it does its job really quick. That's going to take care of all that dirt that gets baked on when the engine gets hot. Then it's on to the rest of the bike. It's a really nice day out, so I've mixed sun wash cleaner with water in the bucket. It does a really good job of rinsing clean in the heat of the sun without leaving any hard water spots. As an alternative, you can always wash your bike in the shade too. You want to pay special attention to the front of the bike because this is where you're going to acquire a lot of dead bugs. So you want to make sure that you get all those little dead guys off the front of your bike, especially around your headlight. Once it's all nice and soaped up, we want to get it rinsed off. All these products are biodegradable, so we're being super kind to Mother Earth and not leaving our carbon footprint. Just get it all nice and rinsed. And the final step is drying. If you really want to treat yourself, this hog blaster lets you work from the top down using a powerful stream of air for a quick, streak-free drying job that gets the water out of all the hard-to-reach places. Otherwise, you can just get busy with your soft drying towel. And if you want to add a little finishing touch, you can always finish with some chrome polish on all your chrome parts to give it that extra little shine. Then stand back and admire the motorcycle that was hiding underneath all that road grime. 2 important tips. You won't see motorcyclists using tire dressings like on cars because you don't want that on your tread, which can potentially make for a very slippery situation. Also, take a short ride right after you wash your bike and try to use your brakes before you need them. This will clear any soap residue off your brake rotors. And as always, enjoy the ride.